We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, the only way is to put our entry above the top. Okay. Anyway, as we can see the price drop and still we see the divergence based on if we refer to the indicators. All right. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. First things, if we move to daily chart, as we can see, technically we cannot, we don't need to analyze this because what we can see here, when I say we don't need to analyze this, the only thing is we need to see whether the price can break the 30 cent or not. This is what I explained in my last analysis. Almost the price is there. That means if you consider this one as a correction, the price is at the lowest. Okay. And what we are more interested, the only thing is if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop, but we are not interested in the sell. And as we can see, where the price is at almost as a support. Okay. And what we are expecting, we're expecting for the reversal. All right. Now, how to look for trade if we move to lower time frame, and even if we move to forward chart, this is what we can see. Mostly we're looking for the reversal, and even if we refer to the indicators, even based on forward chart from now, we can see the divergence. The only thing is if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it. Okay, how to look for trade? Either we wait for the sharp move flag, or at least similar to what we get here, or put our entry above the top, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart. Okay, that's mean we are expecting to get the reversal as a sharp move, and the only way to look for trade, that means we try to take any trade for buy. If it's moving in our direction, we keep. If not, within 3 to 4 hours we take out the trade. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only way is to put our entry above this, somewhere around 0.315. And the reason is we as I mentioned, there is a possibility that the price reverse sharply. And what we want the price break, tag, break, and continue the price tag, which is not moving within the first or maximum second hours we take out the trade. Okay. And as I explained, based on daily chart, there is the price in the bigger picture based on the correction based on daily chart is like at the lowest price we get within the correction, which is the 30 cent. If there is a breakout of the 30 cent, the price can drop even to 20 cent. Okay. But if we want to look for trade, we cannot buy right now. Buying is not a really good idea because if the price can break the support, as I explained based on daily chart, it can quite drop quite a lot. That's why we try to look. We are and the same times we are not looking for the sell. We're looking for the buy. The only thing is we have to get the trade set up. And how to look for the trade setup? The only way is either we put our entry above the top, above this correction, which is 0.315. And what we want is in case the price sharply reverse, and we want the price tag, break, and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. Or we wait for the sharp move, reversal, with a correction of flag, we take the trade. This is the only way we can look for trade. Buying right now is not a really good idea because if the price break the support based on daily chart, it can even drop to 20 cents. That's why we need to be quite careful. Okay, this is the only way we can look for trade. And as we can see, the ways moving and dropping is really corrective. Mostly when we see this kind of the move, we can expect the price reverse sharply. Okay, that's why even we can, this is the 20 cent I'm expecting, talking about. If there is a breakout of this level, easily price can drop to 25 or 20. That's why buying without the trade setup is not really good idea. Okay, either we wait for the reversal as a sharp move flag, we take the trade, or we put our entry above the top. And if this one turn to a correction and the price drop, then from there we need to adjust our entry. That means where we put our entry. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup that can confirm the next move for the buy, I will share. Thanks.